Itong naglalaro ngayon ang AIMS at 4-3, ang PMMS at 3-4. Now, ang AIMS
Haushan. Inside they go. Joaquin
that was over the weekend, I believe, no?
Nasa Batangas tayo nun eh.
Nasa Batangas ba tayo nun? Yun.
Meantime, Joaquin Octavo. Bigay mo na sa iba. Dancildo, quick trigger. Dancildo! Bolima being heavily guarded by Francisco. Look at the defense of CJ. Kulang na lang. Magkapalit sila ng mukha doon.
It's a new player being fielded in by Coach Darwin De La Punta. Kita na natin yan.
Barasigan will be checking in for Peralta. Jeff Reyes receives it. Jeff kicks it out. Three-pointer for Dancildo and he knocks it. Reyes against Odvina. De Vera launches a three. Reyes nagdalawang isip. Sumablay. Bolima. The putback is in.
You know, initially that
under 7 minutes remaining. Offensive. Octavo against Lapira. Joaquin kicks it out. 3 on the way. Estinopo. No. Halfway point of the second period. Estinopo sablay. Carl Diaz gets the board. And Velasco
getting that defensive board.
JD Odvina pa din using his quickness. Durante. Pinabalik ni Lapira si Octavo dun sa pwesto niya. And look at that, Prince. Ball is in the hands of Peralta. Gurea sets the pick. And he tumbles upon his opponent. There's a foul away from the leather.
Coach.
Gurea na naman. Naagawan Estinopo. JD Odvina. Two minutes and 15 seconds. Sildo wide open from top of the key and he swishes down. Mark Reyes, the layup, sablay. Seconds remaining. Peralta. Waminal, free throw jumper. Oh, good. Offensive rebound, Mark Reyes. Odvina na naman. Nakagawan dito na Estinopo. 2 on 2. Velasco bumitin, pumasok.
The fact that they have had more cracks at the basket, 13 second chance points compared to only 2 for the side of AIMS.
Haushan. Lapira thought about it. Binigay muna dito kay JD. Olivares College Lions versus the DLSU Dasmariñas Patriots.
Home team versus the visiting team, parehong.
Estinopo. Now Reyes. And he kicks it out. Sildo from deep. Dan will miss. Estinopo gets the offensive rebound. Dan sealed or Estinopo. Peralta in transition. Nakuha ni Dan Sildo. Now they have the numbers. Reyes, transition 3. Good!
Second foul, 3 on the Mariners.
Madaming pwedeng magawa si JD Odvina pag nasa kanya yung bola.
That's why you try to limit his touch. That's why you try to limit his touches.
1 second remaining.
For AMS.
Bolima. And work his way inside. Dave.
Oh,
Odvina, Peralta. Back to Odvina for that floater. Agad namang binawi ni
Lang talagang makaka-release yan at makakabutas.
as Mark Reyes. Odvina na naman. Cross-court pass. Lapira puts it up. Oh my goodness. Look at the activity of JD Odvina. Yun nga lang, naitapon nila yung bola. Jeff Reyes lays it.
Jeff Reyes.
He was wide open dahil tumulong si Peralta doon kay Bolima. Bolima, two-man game. Jeff Reyes. A minute and 20 seconds remaining. Lapira from way out. Carlos Lapira will miss. Tatanggap. The extra pass, Haushan. Sumablay.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Quarter. More open shots that he's taken in this game. Hey, but he had the right idea. Taking it strong inside.
Haushan. Swing. Jeff Reyes, Estinopo. Bumalik kay Haushan. Short from beyond the arc.
MS squad here in this game. Ito pa lang sa fourth, dalawa na yun.
And Dave Bolima. Gurea against Sildo. Odvina. And Durante to assert himself or themselves to mount this comeback. Just a 7-point ball game. Just like what you said, there is definitely a lot of time left. Gurea lets it fly. Gustin Gurea
On Gustin Gurea.
Estinopo. Oh, Dan Sildo libreng-libre sa
Just could not get that ball to drop.
trying to orchestrate something itong PMMS Mariners. Reyes. Oh, that was a big
Tinobol nila doon si Alfred Estinopo.
7-point lead. Gustin Gurea. Down to 10. Gurea steps through. Sablay.
Daryl Durante fighting underneath to get
7 to shoot. Approaching the last 2 minutes. Estinopo. Bingo!
always there when you call, always on time. Alfred Estinopo, big three-pointer.
77-69, Peralta. Now to Lapira. Peralta na naman. Kicks it out, three-pointer on the way, Durante. Can't answer back. Gurea off the glass. Mark Reyes against Octavo. Mark will miss. Bolima gets the board. Down 40. 3 seconds. Octavo. Oh, an offensive rebound by Estinopo.
And either increase this lead or just burn up some clock. Time is not the friend of AIMS in this ball game.